Hey everyone, this is Ryan with Giant Loop. I'm showing you our new redesigned tracker packer. We make two models now. We make one for the Spot Gen 3 and the new Garmin InReach Mini. As you can see, we have the arm band option as well as the preferred method of attaching it to your hydration pack, backpack, jacket. The goal is to have the tracker packer on your body so that if you crash and separate from your bike, you can easily reach the SOS button, call for help. It's not on your bike down the cliff in a canyon. So as you can see, straps on there. We have lots of redundancy, a strap and a strap, bungee over the antenna, so that's not going anywhere. And then lastly, it comes with this tether, so you can tether it to your backpack. So lots of redundancy, designed to hang tight, whether you're riding down the road or if you have a serious crash. It's always in an area that's easy to grab and reach, and that's the reason why we designed this. So look on our site, Facebook, social media for availability, and thank you for watching.